Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Kicks. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, sports steering wheel, automatic air conditioning, cloth seat trim, compass. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.